In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to checkmate with bishops on Lichess. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you in your PC, or whatever you're working with. Could be Google Chrome, could be Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, or any other browser, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. Once you open your browser, simply go to this URL section and type lichess.org and hit the enter button. That should take you to this page, which is going to be the home screen or the main screen of lichess.org. Of course, here, first thing that you would like to do is just go to the top right corner option sign in and click on it so you can actually sign in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, make sure to go and click on register so you can actually create an account in here. So for me, let me do that and I'm coming back. So once you logged in or sign in or even create an account, you'll find yourself with this home screen or this main screen on the list on the lichess.org website. And of course, you'll find your username here at the top right corner. That means you're signed in. And from here, you can do a lot of other stuff. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to checkmate with bishops. And of course, if we want to do that, we can simply go and hover this learn option at the top options, then click on practice. Now we can see here a lot of checkmates option on this checkmate. So there's the piece checkmate, there's the checkmate patterns, and there's the etc. So let's just choose the checkmate pattern as an example. Okay, sorry, I found it. Here is the bishop mate. You'll find it just on this peach checkmate 2. So click on it, and as you can see, we have here the 2 bishop mates. Simply, I'll have to checkmate this opponent with just 2 bishops. So I'll have to simply keep trying to get him in the corner so we can actually checkmate him. So let's just try to do that as an example. And of course, if you didn't know how to, you can simply click on Get a Hint. As you can see, they're going to show you the piece to move. You can see, like, you'd like to click at Getting a Hint. And when you click like Get a Hint, they'll show you the piece to move. And now, as you can see, they are even giving you the another move that you can make. As an example, they're telling you this. Now they're telling you like get a hint. As you can see, let's just do this as an example. As you can see, they're telling maybe that was better. So keep following their hints and you will be good to go to checkmate. So let me just try to do this and I'm coming back. You can even like click on get a hint, then show the best move. So you can checkmate on the end. As you can see, we can keep doing this. Get a hint, show the best move. Get a hint, show the best move. Get a hint and show the best move. And as you can see, we checkmated with 2 bishops. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.